digging out from the snowstorm.
If you huddled at home all weekend long, you had to make up for it today. And as WLWT News 5's Andrew Setter shows us, now you're dealing with ice.
The snow wasn't the problem so much today as the ice and slush left behind. Anybody who didn't dig out over the weekend woke up to a much bigger job today.
Getting stuck right here, this tire.
A lot of people had a job to do today before they ever got to work.
How long you been at it out of here?
Since 6:15 this morning.
And what time is it now?
8 o'clock.
Courtney was running really late this morning.
I'm late. I was supposed to be at work at 6:30. I know.
So have you talked to your boss?
Yeah, she said she would come and get me if we can't get out.
She and her boyfriend couldn't get unstuck without some help.
Called old Dad and said you got a shovel, and I was sitting at home watching the Channel 5 news. Go. All right, back her up.
The streets are in good shape, and yesterday's warmer weather helped a lot, but the mounds of snow left behind by the plows are a frozen, icy mess. While Courtney was having a hard time getting onto the street, this car on Clifton Avenue apparently had a hard time getting out of the street. The driver left it hanging out into traffic. With sidewalks still snow covered, there were plenty of people walking in the streets too, making it even more dangerous to get around.
And I left for work, came back here. This was the only spot open. And in Clifton, you take whatever spot you can get. And because I only live a couple houses down. So I got in this spot, came out this morning, knew I was going to have a little bit of trouble, but I didn't expect this.
But with some hard work and an extra hand to push, Courtney got free.
Oh, yeah. Hey, no problem. All right. Thank you so much. All right. No problem. Take care.
One of the things the city has asked is for people to move their cars off the street if they can, so the snow plows can get in here and clear all this out. Right now, they're just pushing all the snow and ice right up against the side of your car if you're parked on the street. From Clifton Heights, Andrew Setters, WLWT News 5.
A lot of problems out there. Cincinnati road crews worked 12-hour shifts through the weekend trying to tackle all the issues from this storm.
Yeah, now a number of boats